How to set time limit for apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can set time limit for apps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, setting time limit for apps is very simple on Android and both iOS, because both of these phones comes with a feature called screen time, which is normally going to be under digital well-being or parental control. So if you're using Android, you can open up a settings application, and inside every Android phone you'll find an option that says digital well-being and parental controls. If you're using iPhone, you'll find an option called screen time, so make sure to tap on that option. So go to digital well-being and parental controls option here, and when you go to here, you'll be able to see app timers. So you can go ahead and tap on set a timer depending upon for which your app you'd like to set a timer. Tap the set timer option. Make sure to simply select the hours and the minutes based on the daily basis. Tap the done button to set the time limit for these apps. This way you can go ahead and then basically set time limit for apps. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.